Welcome back to our YouTube tutorial. Today we are going to discuss how you can calculate points or pips and maximum loss on different volatility indices, but just after the break. So make sure you watch the video until the end. Okay, so on my screen right now I have a screenshot of running trades. So I'll start with boom 1000. So if I just highlight first, so this is the current price and this is the entry price. So this is where the market is right now, and we have $5 profit. So what you need to do is to take the current price minus the entry price, or we can take the entry price minus the country price, though you'll get a negative. Just ignore the negative and concentrate on the positive value, because if we are selling and we are in profit, that will be a blue. If you are selling and it is in loss, it will be a red. So the value here will be negative, so just ignore the negative. So let's start with boom 1000. So I'll type, okay, so that's 124.47. so don't forget the decimal point. So we're minusing 152.0500. So let's see what we are getting. We are getting minus 27. So minus 27, since we are selling, that's why we are getting a negative. So just multiply with the lot size, which is 0.2. okay, so we are getting minus 5.5. so 5.5 we need to round off to nearest decimal places, where we'll get 5.51. so that's exactly the thing that we have here. So our trade is in profit and we have profit of 5.51. let's try volatility 75. So volatility 75, okay, so this is the current price, this is the entry price. So okay, so we minus the values. So 53, we get 53, 62, 40.88 minus, don't ignore the decimal, 00, 27, 240, 07.47, okay. We are getting minus 337.86.59. so this volatility 75 has moved 3,706 points, okay. So you just have to multiply with 0.001. so you'll get that since we are selling and it is in profit. Remember, the negative value comes in because the trade is already, we are selling and already in profit, then it will come negative value, which is 3.78. so we round off, we get 3.79. so you can see here it's already 3.79. so we are taking to 2 decimal places, okay. So let's try the volatility 50. okay, let's try volatility 50. that will be 118.4651 minus 3, no, sorry, minus 188.0741. so okay, we get 0.391. okay, on volatility 50, the trade has moved 391 points, okay. So times 3, because we are using 3 lots. So using 3 lots, the 3 lots is the minimum lot size. on binary or the rev, the minimum. So but we can create on our own minimum with using another way, which will be also be on another video, how to reduce the lot size to the smallest. We can reduce up to 1 lot size, but for now let's use the standard one, that is 3. So times 3, so you're getting 1.173. so we are buying this, and it is in a profit of 1.173. so if you round off to 2 decimal places, we'll have 1.17, like that. So let's switch to the main chart. Okay, so let's try. So we have on my chart right now, I have volatility 75. So in case, let's say let me close the profit. Okay, so you want to sell, and you don't know how much you're gonna lose on this trade. What you need to know is your entry. Okay, so your entry, let's say that's our entry, where the market is at right now. Okay, the market we may move very fast against our entry, but at least we'll get the point. And then let's say our stop loss is here. So let's stop loss. So this is our stop loss. So we'll just calculate the entry. Okay, let's take our calculator. So that will be, our entry will be 5363.02.33 minus our stop loss, which is 5195.23.36. so let's see how much we lose. So we lose 16,778 points. Okay, our minimum loss sizes, which is 0.05. so if we use 0.05, let's see how much we're gonna lose if stop loss is hit. Our minimum loss size is 0.01. so 0.001, I think I'm right. Yeah, so yeah, let's see. Volatility 75. So our minimal loss size is 0.01. Where's the calculator? 0.01. Minimum loss is 0.01. so if we lose, if the stop loss hit, we're gonna lose $16.77. That's how we calculate. So if your account cannot hold $16, maybe it's much, then then you can decide, because this is the minimum loss size. This is the minimum loss size of 0.01. You can decide either to move your stop loss a bit higher, or you can just leave the trade, because this is the maximum loss you lose if you use the minimum loss size possible, which is 0.001. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try volatility 75, volatility 25. So 0.05 is our loss. Let's say we are buying the trade. Let's say we are buying, then stop loss is below here. So you just take your calculator and type. You can start with either the stop loss of the entry, does not matter. So start with the stop loss 2683.45 minus the entry, because here is where you want to enter now. And if you want to enter, then see if how much you're gonna lose if stop loss is hit. So minus 43 35 21 dot, the value is changing very fast, but we're just estimating like that. Okay, so that is a minus 668.37. so you you lose 6,837 points. So but then we calculate with the value now, our constant loss size, which is 0.05. So if stop loss is hit and you have used 0.05 as your loss size, you're gonna lose $34. You're gonna lose $34. So if your account cannot hold $34 minus $34, what you need to do is to reduce the loss size. There's a way you can reduce, because 0.05 is not the minimum, the minimum possible. There's a way you can reduce up to 0.001. yeah, you can reduce up to 0.001, but 0.005 is what the rev is giving us for now, but there's a way you can reduce up to 0.01. So if you reduce to 0.01, let's see how much you lose the trade if it hit your stop loss. So I just divide by 5. Okay, so you can see now, so the trade is safe. If you use 0.01, the trade is safe and you're gonna lose only $6. So but if you want to lose more, you're gonna just hit by 2. Let's see, if you use 0.02, how much you're gonna lose? You're gonna lose $13. So you keep adjusting, because the stop loss now is fixed. Okay, so now you play along with the loss size to get the maximum whatever. But if the loss size is the minimum 0.01, like volatility 75, so it means it will be harder for you to reduce the loss size. So you need to play along with the stop loss distance. But most of these indices, you can reduce them. Like volatility 50, you can reduce up to 1. Volatility 100, you can reduce up to 0.01. Boom 1000, you can reduce up to 0.01. And so many others that can also be reduced. So thank you so much, and make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. And our next video will be on how to reduce the loss size to the minimum or to the lowest value possible.